Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial guide on configuring events and actions in Identity Access. Events and actions are highly customizable. For example, a snapshot could be captured from a CCTV camera configured in IA when a door reader sees an access denied event. We will keep this video simple, but you can get creative with your events and actions by using time zones, counters, timers, digital inputs and outputs, and more, which might be used for building control or even emailing the fire roll call report when this is triggered. Events and actions require an Identity Access professional license for up to 64 doors and readers. If you have more than 64 doors and readers, you will require our Identity Access Enterprise license. Please email sales@controlsoft.com for more information. We will demonstrate events and actions in the video by configuring one iNet door controller that is configured with a fire input, and use this iNet to trigger a fire alarm on another group of iNets that are not connected to the fire panel. This means that it's not required to run a cable between each controller to trigger the input. For this event and action to work, all the iNets need to be on the same network, and the UDP port 42424 needs to be open between each iNet. Choose Settings, click on Fire Sensor, and then click on the Active checkbox. You will notice that the fire input by default is set to Input 4. This can be changed, but this is labeled as Fire on the iNet's plastic cover. Now you can click on Accept. Set up each door to force open when fire is detected. If you have a door, such as a server room, that you do not wish to force open when fire is detected, you can edit the door properties and remove this option. Next, go to the Advanced menu and choose Object Groups. Click the green plus symbol to add a new group. Choose Controllers from the list. Click Accept and give the group a name, and then tick all the controllers that are not linked to the fire panel. Click Accept to save these changes. We are now able to go to Events from the top menu. Click on the green plus to add a new event. Click Next, and then choose Controller from the Events list. Highlight the iNet controller that is linked to the fire panel and click Next. For the event, choose Fire Sensor On and click Next. Now choose Object Group from the list of actions and click Next. Highlight the object group we created earlier and click Next. From the list of actions, choose Set Fire State and click Finish. We can now click Accept to save those changes. So, we have an event and action to trigger the fire input on a group of controllers. Let us now create an event and action to relock the doors when the fire panel has been reset. Click the green plus and again choose Controller from the Objects list. Highlight the iNet controller again that is linked to the fire panel and click Next. For the event, choose Fire Sensor Off and click Next. Choose Object Group from the list of actions and click Next. Highlight the object group again and click Next. From the list of actions, choose Clear Fire State and click Finish and accept the changes. Let's now test the fire input so that we can see the doors are being forced open. We can see the doors have successfully been forced open when fire was detected and relocked when the fire panel was reset. If you have any problems with the configuration, please email support@controlsoft.com. We hope you have found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be kept up to date with the latest content that we add. Thanks for watching.